Hello. Hello. Hey y'all, today we're at Clarkco State Park in Quitman, Mississippi. This park is located just south of Meridian, close to the Alabama-Mississippi state line. So if you're traveling this way, like between I-20 and the Gulf Coast, this is a good stopover place. Clarkco is over 800 acres. Most of it's wooded, so it has a very charming natural feel. It sits on a large lake where you can fish, kayak, or swim. They have a boat launch here, and they do allow boats and jet skis. They have a playground and a splash pad for the kids. They have nice pavilions and picnic areas, and they have a nice disc golf course. Now, normally we would be here to show you around the campground, especially since this one's newly renovated and we've been waiting 3 years for them to reopen. But today we're doing something different. We're staying in one of their newly renovated cabins. So the campground tour will be on our next video. So if you're new here, welcome. We're all about the RV life, outdoor adventure, and checking out the best campgrounds across the country. If that's your vibe, be sure to hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride. Now let's dive into today's video. Even though we're not doing a full tour this time, I do want to tell you about their new sites. They offer 43 full hookup sites. All of them are on a concrete pad and have a picnic tables and a grill. These sites and roads are a huge improvement from what it used to be. It may have taken 3 years, but it is worth it. Now, on to our cabin. They have a total of 20 cabins here. We stayed in cabin number 2. Which has also been newly renovated, so it feels fresh and clean. Our cabin was right on the lake too, so that was nice. Here are the rental rates at the time of this video. We are here at cabin number 2. Nice screened-in porch. Ooh, couple of chairs there to sit in. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. Got a dining table there. Living room's over here with the couch. I believe that's a pull-out sofa. And then there's a chair here with a big TV. A nice breakfast eating area over here in the kitchen. Has a microwave, refrigerator, stove. Here is the bedroom. Good sized bedroom, high ceilings, make it feel even bigger. There's a dresser over there. Looks like we have 2 closets here. Nice, his and her closets. And then back here is the bathroom. Let's see if I can turn the light on. There's the light. So, toilet area, decent sized shower. And there is the sink. The main thing I liked about this cabin is that it was right on the water, so you could walk right down here. There's a picnic table, there's a fire pit. The back porch was nice because it was screened in. Not all the cabins are on the lake, so let me drive you through and show you where the rest of them are. Alright, coming out of our cabin, go just up the road a bit, and this is cabins 3A and 3B. You come down a little bit, and this is 4A and 4B. Also on the water. Coming down here, this is cabin number 7. Some of these roads have been redone. Some of them have not. Our road is brand new, but you can tell that these are kind of in disrepair. That cabin we're looking at over there is cabin number 6. And we'll go up the hill here to cabins number 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. You see they have a swing there in the middle. This is cabin number 7, and you can tell some of them have been renovated and some of them have not. This is cabin number 8. And that one over there is cabin number 9. You can see it's been renovated. And this is your friendly reminder to make sure that you put your lid tightly on your trash can so that no critters get in it. Something got in ours one night. I don't know if it was a raccoon or a squirrel, but something got in ours one night and we had to pick up a little bit of trash. This is cabin number 10. And then number 11. And the last one on this road is the number 6. This is cabin number 12, another one of the renovated cabins. And it's secluded. It's sort of on a road by itself, so that one has a lot of privacy. Now we're back out on the main road, and this is cabin number 13. This is number 14. You can see the campground across the lake over there. These on the right are cabins 15 and 16. I'll show you those on the way back out. And this is the end of the road. This is cabin number 17. And it actually says on the map that there's a cottage up this road. Not sure. I do know there are trails up here. They have some nature trails throughout the park, so there is a trail up there that you could walk, but I don't think you can drive up there anymore. Now this is cabin number 16. And then cabin number 15. Remember, if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel and come back next week for the full campground tour of this park. Thanks for watching today, y'all. See you on the next one.